All right, it's time to create with Quimby. Our DIY queen is back once again with the perfect summer project for all the gardeners out there. This charming hanging planter is a great way to take your patio to that next level.
That's right, DIY expert Shannon Quimby joining us in the studio right now to walk us through this project. I love this. Welcome back.
Well, thank you very much.
Great to see you.
I was just thinking, I'm like, you know, I actually have a little time this weekend. My patio needs a little TLC. So this is a perfect project for your weekend.
Yeah, think kind of a game like Jenga.
Uh-huh.
You know?
It is.
Yeah, that's kind of what inspired me.
Jenga for your garden.
Yeah,
I like that.
I'm going to do the steps and you guys get to do the fun process.
Okay.
So I'm kind of skipping ahead.
Okay.
So what I want you guys to do, and you each got your little
our
planner
little
to start
spots
with.
here.
So you're going to alternate on your corners.
Okay.
So notice I've got dark and light.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you'll thread a light to a light, but you're going to alternate sides. See this?
I see.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to go here.
Uh-huh.
I feel like this is honestly,
and then to the other side.
This is giving me Lincoln Log vibes.
Oh my God, I
that
still
makes
have my
sense
Lincoln
too.
Logs.
Right? This is the growing up Lincoln Logs.
Yeah. So
Super
while you
fun.
guys are doing that, I'll show the steps from
Okay,
the beginning.
let's see it.
Yeah, how to get this product.
First thing you're gonna, these are 1/2 inch square dowels, and you want to cut 18 of them to 8 inches long. All right.
Okay.
And then the next step is then you're going to measure and mark. You're going to make 2 holes on all 18 of them, an inch in. Okay, I'll dot that out. So you measure and mark. And then after that, then you want to drill with a 9/13 drill bit. That's this. And you're going to drill both your corners. And those are the ones that you're threading right now.
Perfect.
Okay. Now, 2 of those, you're going to actually do 4 holes.
Okay.
Okay, because
base.
that is the bottom, which then stops the pot from falling through.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So yeah, so 2 of those. Then when you are all done, I'll get this out of the way. Then you want to sand, because there's got a little fray going on those.
Oh, okay.
So you just take a piece of sandpaper,
Oh, there you go.
sand
Smooth
it out.
down. Yep.
Yep, sand your edges, wipe it off, and so forth. So I wanted to add kind of a little splash to this.
Okay.
And so this is fun. You take, and I like to use these little tiny ones, okay? And I take the one that's got the 2, and I dip it all the way down.
Oh, that's how you did that.
Yes,
Nice.
it's so easy. Like lift it up, tap it out, slowly
And
turn
then just
it around.
let gravity sort of take the wheel there
And
for
then
a
you
little
just let
bit.
it drip down.
That's fun.
I was trying to figure out
Like,
how you
how
did
you-
this like stain pattern.
Right.
It's very cool.
Well, take a
It's
look.
like-
Bring the
it,
camera in
like,
here
runs
so you
dark
can
to light.
really see that.
It's like stained on one end, and so then when you stack it all together, you get this really cool pattern.
It kind of makes it feel
That's
like
neat.
very PNW.
Oh,
It's like,
gosh,
is it a tree?
right.
Is it a mountain? Like, you kind of have that look at it.
Close up on my chipped nail polish there. Sorry. Okay.
Notice I let you do that, not me.
Oh, I know. Well, no, that's such a cool idea, and this is the perfect thing for, you know, if you did another project, another piece of furniture, and you've got like 1/2 can of stain left, and you're like, what am I going to do with it?
Exactly. Or a lot of
Perfect.
these they use, you know, you use it maybe as a sampler.
Yeah,
Check this out. But you're absolutely right. It's a really fun dip way to go.
Yeah, super smart.
And then another little tip. Notice I've got tape on the end of this nylon.
Very helpful.
This nylon cord, which, by the way, you'll probably want to do 2 cords about 4 feet long.
Okay.
The tip is that, because if you start trying to jam that tip into all of these,
Right.
it gets all
It gets
fuzzy
frayed.
and clogged. So you just take that painter's tape and you wrap it around, and it gives it that nice point at the end. It just makes
Perfect.
life
Nice.
so much easier.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, even now, like,
does.
we're like, you know, you can really twist it to make it work.
So much easier
It
to
totally
thread.
works.
Yeah. And then when you get done, all the way to the top, it gets kind of, see, it's still a little kind of
Oh, yeah, that
wobbly
is user
like
error. That is,
Yeah,
that
right?
is, yep.
Then you want to pull it taut
Okay.
and tie a knot on each corner,
Oh,
and
I
that's what's
see.
going to keep
There you
it
go.
tight.
Yeah, and you can see that here too. If you zoom on in, you can see.
Yeah, I got a little knot.
The knot that is
Teeny little knot right there.
right there, and
Okay.
voila.
Yeah, and pull it up and kind of even it out and tie a knot and hang it up.
And there
I
you
love
go.
it. Now, Shannon, I don't know if you already said this, and I was so focused on my threading that I missed it, but are these pre-cut dowels? Did you have to cut these pieces of wood?
I cut them with a miter saw, but
Okay.
actually you can go, I mean, PARR will be happy to help you out. Go
Yeah.
to Parliament and they'll cut them up for you.
Well, and I guess you
that's where I
could
got my
scale it
wood.
too. You could make them a little longer if you wanted a bigger
You
pot.
can. That's exactly it. You know,
Okay.
you know, this is just a standard, 4.5 inch pot, but you're right. You can make a rectangle one. I mean, once again, you know, that's the beauty about DIY.
How did you come up with this one, this idea? What was the inspo behind it?
Well, you know, I kind of was like, well, I like planters. I like, you know, I've got some wood. And then I think what I really did is just by dipping, that was just, actually it was a mistake.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I tested it, and I went, oh, that's kind of dark. And then I went, ooh.
It's kind of a cool pattern.
Yeah.
Happy accident.
There are no mistakes.
Yeah,
There's happy accidents, right?
There you go.
It turned out pretty awesome.
That's awesome. And you'll be donating these planters to the Habitat for Humanity out in McMinnville.
Yes,
awesome.
I will. Yes, yours. So we got 1, 2, 3.
Maybe you may have to work on mine. I gave up. It's not that complicated. I'm just
Travis just wanted to keep his as the before, so then you can see the after.
Exactly how it's supposed to go.
There you go.
I was the kid that couldn't color in between the lines, so that's
it's okay.
That's awesome though. This is a great idea. Love that you're donating these as you always do. So it'll be a beautiful little addition to the patio this summer.
Super cool.
Definitely.
Good job,
Thanks.
Emily.
Thank you, Shannon. This is
All
great.
right.
So many good ideas.
And for the full list of instructions and materials for this DIY, we'll post that on coin.com. And also be sure to follow Shannon on Facebook for giveaways and more. And you can find my embarrassing one right here, live on TV.
Travis will be donated. It's free if you want it.
There you go. Thanks. That's
I'll help
me.
him out.